Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or if you're a room, welcome back. How you been? How you doing? My name is Terry if you're new here, and you know, I just be vlogging from time to time, but I just got off work and I wanted to show you guys my nighttime routine after I get off work. Today is Monday. It was actually pretty motherfucking slow at work, okay? I didn't really smoke on the way to work like I normally do, and I didn't drink really like that. I mean, I took a shot or two at work, but like I didn't get wasted. So y'all came here to see my nighttime routine, so let's get into it. Like I said, I just got home, so I'm taking my jewelry off or whatever. I got this anklet on. Oh, did I just break my anklet? Raggedy ass Forever 21 anklet. Well, looks like I don't have to take that off. I just have to throw it away. But let me take my other anklet off. So to take my wig off, I just use some rubbing alcohol and a rag, or you can use cotton balls. I prefer to use a rag, honestly, over cotton balls, because whenever I would use like cotton pads or something like that, I would get like little fuzzies from the cotton. So I just soak some alcohol onto a rag and I just press that in to my hairline, because that's, you know, where I applied the adhesive. Bam! Dude, I got this bonnet from Walmart the other day, and when I tell you this is the tiniest bonnet I've ever had, like, first off, y'all don't come for me because I already knew it was gonna be tiny. My hair is just braided down underneath here. But like, I just feel like this bonnet just doesn't have enough space. Like, it makes my head look extra tiny. I like to use these makeup eraser little reusable cloths to take off my makeup. These are the mini ones. I got these from Sam's Club in a pack of like 7, I think. I'm getting a fat ass pimple right there, so that's like, you know, cute. But I love these so much more than anything else I've used before to take off my makeup, and I just like the fact that these are reusable. You literally just add water to it, and it just takes all your makeup off. Like, look. And see, the makeup was right there. First things first, this is my favorite face wash in the whole history of face washes. This is the GOAT. Honestly, if you have dry skin, I prefer the cream to foam version of the CeraVe hydrating face wash over the original one. The original one just kind of feels like lotion to me. Like when I wash my face with it, it doesn't really create a lather like that. But this one definitely does. So I'm gonna wash my face using this. And pro tip, wash your face in cold water, okay? Especially if you have dry skin, because all that hot water is just gonna dry it out and strip your skin of its natural oils. But we're gonna wash our face. Ooh, 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 hold up, I'm getting soap literally everywhere. I'm gonna wash my face. I used to be obsessed. Oh God, this mother trucker hurts. Then I'm gonna pat my face dry. And here's where we get into the fun stuff, okay, y'all? So after I wash my face, I'm gonna go in with this hyaluronic acid. This one is by the Inky list. I got it from Sephora, but I just do a few drops of this. I like to do this right after I wash my face, when my face is still slightly damp, because using hyaluronic acid on damp skin is going to help retain that moisture. So I just do a little thin layer like that, give her a little pat, 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 pat. Then I go in with my toner, and for the last few months, I've been using the Fenty Fat Water, but I cycled back to this Glow recipe, the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-Tight Toner. I started using this again recently, and I just fell back in love with it. Like, oh, it just makes my skin feel so hydrated, and it really does help reduce the size of your pores. I just go in with a little bit of it on my hands and just press it into the skin. It feels so good and it smells so good. And then I go in with this Purple Rain Glow Serum. It's by the brand Truly. I just started adding this to my skincare routine, but I honestly really am enjoying it. It's got retinol in it and glycolic acid. You know, once you get closer to 30 than you are 21, aka my old ass, you really gotta up your skincare routine. You know what I'm saying? Like, you do need to add a retinol into your skincare routine, a good glycolic acid. This helps your skin shed dead cells faster. Like, it helps your skin turn over new cells faster. And this is extremely hydrating. I don't know if y'all can already see the glow we're starting to get going on over here, but I like this a lot. I was reading a review before I bought it, and one of the reviews was saying that it just makes your skin look like it has a filter on it, and I feel like that's very much an appropriate way to describe that serum. The Ordinary Squalene Oil. Again, dry skin, the house over here, honey. So I love layering up. It was a casual burp for me. I love layering up on different oils. You know, just soaking it all in. Especially at nighttime, because it's like, bitch, I need to be greasy as fuck before I go to bed. So I do a few drops of that squalene oil afterwards. And I wish y'all could feel my face because it already feels so smooth. Like, smooth as fuck. She's a smooth girl. She's a smooth girl. Don't come for this planet on my fucking side of my forehead. It's so rude. Then I'm gonna go in with some of the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Let's see if it'll focus. Just started adding this to my skincare routine too, and when I tell y'all, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, okay? I just do 2 little pumps. It's a vitamin C serum with like 5 different types of vitamin C, but this right here, like, can y'all see the glow? This helps even out your skin's tone and texture. Y'all, this thing hurts. But again, like, my face actually feels like butter right now. And I love it so much. It's the Water Bank Moisturizer. Baby, if you have dry skin, run, okay? Do not walk to Sephora. Run to Sephora. You only need a little bit, but again, I just am addicted to doing entirely too fucking much. This right here, literally, I think I'm gonna be obsessed with this moisturizer for a long time because I have not found a moisturizer that has fully served what I needed it to serve until I found this one. And it just really does it for a big mama, you know? Really does things for ya girl. This is also one of the little minis from like the birthday kit, but this is the Water Bank sleeping mask. So I like to go in with that too. What part of dry skin made y'all think that I was gonna not do a hydrating overnight mask? Ask yourself that. Oh my God, my face feels so lovely. Like, I know my skincare routine is extra, but it just feels luxurious as fuck. And it makes my skin feel so good, and it makes me feel so good, and I do genuinely enjoy doing all this shit, okay? Oh, oh, so good, so cooling. It's just perfect. I'm definitely, when I'm done with this sample, gonna go back and buy the full size of that too. few things we're gonna do real quick as far as like skincare is concerned. This is just a little caffeine serum. I'm using it on my under eyes. This helps hydrate and reduce like the puffiness on your under eyes. And your girl do be tired, okay? She do be needing rest. So I just apply a little bit of that on my under eye and then pat it in with my ring finger. Whenever you apply product to your under eye, you're supposed to use your ring finger. Somebody told me that somewhere in my lifetime. I was told that because it applies the least amount of pressure. So there's that fun fact for the day. You are very much so welcome. Then I'm gonna do a little lip scrub real quick. Just, you know, get rid of the dead skin. This one is from this little soap store near where I live, but they don't even make it anymore, so. Bing bong. What are you gonna tell Joe Byron? The way that TikTok audio lives in my head rent free is disgusting. And then we're just gonna wipe all that funk off. I also have this sleeping mask from that same brand, but to be completely honest, ain't nothing beating good old Aquaphor. That is probably forever gonna be my favorite lip product. So, and the last thing that I'm gonna do is take a little Q-tip. Get it a little wet, if you will, and just run it right under my eyes to make sure I got rid of. See, I know it looks really insignificant. I don't know if y'all can even see the dirt that's on there, but just gotta get all that, okay? Okay. I feel like this eye you can see way more. Okay, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna take a shower right now. At this point, I'm ready to lay down in my bed. I'm gonna get up in the morning and wash my ass. You know, don't worry, it's clean. It's clean. You know what's so crazy though? Like, the longer I sit here and think about it, the more I'm like, no bitch, just go ahead and get in the shower because the club is disgusting and I don't want any aspect of that in my bed. So I am gonna get in the shower real quick, but that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. Let me know if you guys do want a shower routine slash body care routine, because you know we got a couple steps to that too. But I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Thank y'all for watching this little video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what is you doing? How did you make it this far and you ain't even click subscribe? Like, it's rude. I feel like we're friends. I love you, you love me. You know, like, let's continue this relationship. Like, let's see where we can go. Anyways, I'll see you hoochies on the next episode, and I love you. It's me calling this vlog an episode. Anyways, see y'all in the next episode, and I love you. I've been geeking on the water.